Maharashtra Fencing Association and District Sports Office Nashik jointly organized online workshop on basic fencing. First of all, I congratulate Mr. Ashok Dudhare, President, Dr. Uday Dongre, Secretary of Maharashtra Fencing Association, and Mr. Ravindra Naik, District Sports Officer, Nashik, for taking initiative to promote fencing in grassroots level and organize a good workshop. As you all know, fencing is part of Olympic Games. We are taking efforts to promote fencing in India and to avail maximum facilities to fencers. In this workshop, more than 640 participants are participating. Most of the sports teachers and the sports director of schools, colleges from various parts of Maharashtra are included. Sports teachers are playing very important role to overall development of children. I am very happy to see you all in fencing family. I really appreciate the work of Maharashtra Fencing Association. I heartily congratulate and wish you all the best for this workshop and the future work for fencing.